everyone, welcome back to Wizartist. Today we're going to learn how you can edit your videos. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how I edit my YouTube videos and other videos. It is very simple. I use an app named as Inshot, which is very easy to use and user-friendly. So if you're a beginner in editing videos, I recommend you to use this app. But before we start, you must install this app. If you don't know how you can install an app, you can check out the video that I have given above. Also, the link is given in the description below to install an app using Google Play. So let's get started on editing our video. So when you open the app Inshot, you will get this particular page. So now here we want to start editing a video. There is also an option to create a collage over here and to create a photo over here. But as we are going to discuss video editing in this video, I'm going to click on this pink button and with the captions below as video. Once I click, I can see here my draft videos. Also, if I click on the below link over here, this page will be opened wherein I can see all my drafts. So most probably when you're going to see this video, Inshot might be a new app in your phone and you might not have all of these draft videos. But as you go on ahead and save drafts, you are going to find them over here. But as for now, we are going to start with a new video. So once I click this new, I can see various videos. Okay, so I can select any video. For particularly, I can select any dummy video, right? Then click on this tick. So once you click on that tick, this page will be open. Now this is your editing interface. Here you see the video. You can play it from and over here. There are two undo and redo buttons over here. Then there is a long strip which has the various functions through which you are going to edit, and here you can just move forward and move behind your video. Okay, now let's understand all of these commands one by one. The first over here is a canvas. Whenever you click on a particular command, this opens. Okay, so here as you can see, the various canvas is seen. Canvas is basically the ratio of the video. So here by default, the no frame ratio is selected, means it will have no particular ratio, and whatever is the ratio of your default video will be shown. You can select various ratios depending on what work you want it to be. Like if you want it for your Instagram post, you can use this 1:1 or 4:5 ratio. If you want it for a YouTube video, you can use 16:9 ratio and others according to your need. Here I am going to select no frame. Then the next one is adding music. So if you want to add a particular music to your video, you can use this. But before that, let me tell you how you can mute a video. Like whenever we record a video, the sound is also added. But if you want to mute it, how do you do that? Simply select the video by clicking over here. Then just go ahead to see volume in the commands panel. Now drag this from 100% to 0%. Now it will get muted and you will not hear any sound. Now you can add the music. Here there are three options: tracks, effects and record. Tracks has the default tracks that Inshot gives to you. You can select any particular track, just hear it. If you like it, you can add it, heart it and add it to your favorites and use it. Sometimes you'll have to download it, like clicking here, it gets downloaded. And if you're using for some professional work, you can copy this copyright text and it gets copied. You can paste it wherever you want it to. Now if I want to use any particular one, I can click on use. Click on use, you can see that a purple bar appears above our video. This purple bar represents the song that you have added. Now whenever you play it, you will hear the song. Well, now you will not be able to hear the song as I have muted, but whenever you're gonna edit your video, you will hear a song. Like this, you can select various songs. You can even increase or decrease the volume of the particular song and also tell when it will fade in and fade out. Also, if you want it to be just for half of the video, you can select it, split it and delete it. And if it's small, you can always duplicate it so it will get duplicated next, side by side. You can delete the song, you can increase. Editing the song is just trimming it and nothing more. So here we're pretty much done with the music part, but now we need to see the effects. Now effects are some of the popular effects available like slurp, fairy dust and other all. You can explore them, but there is no option to heart it. So you just have to remember the name, and there is no copyright issues in this effects. In my music, you can just get the music which you have in your device. Okay, now I'll just click on tick to save my changes. Now by mistake I added an option which I am not finding how to delete. You can use the undo button to always undo whatever you have done. Next is the sticker option through which you can add the stickers. So Inshot provides you with various stickers, but if you want to add a particular sticker from your memory, you can just click on this, which is available over here, and click on the plus and select the image. But right now I want it from the same one. So all of them are not available, and you'll get a button of free download through which you can download all the stickers for free. But as I'm using this app from long, I have all the stickers downloaded. So I can use any of the stickers. So like this, I will use this sticker. I can tick it, and as you can see, this sticker appears. Now you can drag it around like an image, and you can place it anywhere you want. You can big it, make it small by just grabbing the bar and just dragging it all around. Also, you can see for how much time it will stay, this much and this much, by dragging the bars below. So I want it to stay till the end, and the video, if it is very big, it will be a headache to drag it till the end. So simply you can click over here and go till the video end. You can also add text. So I want to add a particular text. If I want, I'll just say great. Or we can put any text. I'm going to just write text over here, and I'm going to tick. Once we click on that tick button, you can see that the text appears. But I think I don't like the format of the text. Now what to do? I can click on this edit button, and then I can select any color which I want. Otherwise, there is also a color picker which we can use to select a particular color that we want. I'll choose this. And now I don't want any labels, so I can go to label and do none, and I'll get no label. I can also change the font. I'll change it to this. Then I can increase the size from here. I can increase the spacing between each letter and line spacing as well. I can animate it inside, how it will come in and how it will go out. I can also put an emphasis effect on this particular. So there are loop effects, which means emphasis effects, which will repeat themselves until the text will disappear, and in basic it will only happen once it enters and once it exits. The same way you can just increase how much time you want and decrease through dragging this around. I tick it, and you can see it's pretty much done. Now there is another option, filter option, which you can use in which there is effects. You can add various effects, but not all are free because this app has few in-app purchases. But if you have the mod versions or the APK version, you might get everything for free. You can even purchase the premium version if you want. Here, the ones which have the green color or the yellow color or whatever colored name, that means it is free, like glitch. But I don't want to do anything right now. You can add filters, like if you want to brighten it or other things, just like picture filter. And then you can adjust. You can adjust the lightness. You can adjust the contrast and other things. You can even adjust the color. What color do you want it to be of? You can always compare it by clicking here. Well, I don't want anything, so I'll just simply undo it and click on tick. Next is pip. This is a new version in which you can insert an image inside another image. So I'll put this thing, and here I have inserted an image inside another image. Well, even you can insert another video inside another video, and you can use chroma, means you can erase a particular background. Well, I'm not going to do that. This is available in the latest version, and if you have the old version, you will not be able to access this pip. Then there is pre-cut, through which you can trim, cut and split. To split, you can split the big video into smaller clips and delete the unwanted clips. Split option is also available over here. So suppose I want to delete it this much part, so I can simply split it and make a smaller clip, and I can delete it from here. Also, so I use the delete one next. You can even add background, which will give background. So if I add from here, so you can add a particular video or photo or a blank from here, this red add button. I'm going to add a black. So then I can click on background and I can choose a particular background. So there are three types of background. There is color, gradient and pattern. So I can select anything, like I am going to select this pattern, and this is what the background does. Now the speed is the speed of the video. You can just choose it. To know more about speeds, you can check on the speed video that I have created. The link is in the description. Then you can duplicate a particular clip. You can reverse a particular clip. So these two are for that purpose. I'm not going to do it. Reversing takes a little time, so you must wait for it to load. Then you can rotate a video like this, just like you rotate an image. You can even flip it. So most part of it is pretty much like photo editing. You can freeze, like I have made a video and I want to show something for more time, but I didn't show it, so I can split it, make it a different clip. Well, it's not necessary, and I can just which part I want to be freeze. I have this line. This line, you can see the white line. It should be at that point. Once I click on freeze, it inserts a new clip, which is the frozen part of that particular place where we stopped. So these are all the things that are available in Inshot. Now once you're done with the editing, you can just preview whatever you have done. I think it's a bit slow, so I can increase the speed. Okay, now I am going to save it. So basically now whatever we're doing is addition. Now we can save it, but sometimes there are lengthy videos which we can take more time to edit. So sometimes we take more than just once. So we can simply draft it. So whenever you click on this back button, you can click on draft and it will be drafted. Now whenever you click on this video next time, you can select this and open the draft. It opens the same video the way it was the last time. And now once you have saved the draft, you don't need to draft it again and again. It will always be saved. Now I want to save it in MP4 format. So I can save it by clicking on this save, and I can select the resolution that I want. and the frame rate. It will also show you the estimated size. So this file size is 44.8 MB. So I am going to save it. It will start converting the video and soon it will be converted fully. Then you can share your video in the MP4 format. So this is pretty much for editing a video in Inshot. Hope it helped you and you learned how to edit your videos. If you have any doubts at all, you can ask in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video and you learned something new today, don't forget to give thumbs up, share it with your friends and click on that red subscribe button and make it gray. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.